Namaste everyone.
Hello.
Okay, find yourself in a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Again, take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Join your both palms together in front of your heart. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep breath in. Om. Now gently open your eyes. Stand up on your mat for sun salutation. So today we will not do Ashtanga. Today we will try some side stretching, side split. Okay. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. To exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3D inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat exhale, Adho Look at your navel point and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, roll your shoulders out. Keep pressing your spine down. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees. Jump front between your both palms for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale all the way, come up for Urdhva Vrikshasana. And exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam inhale. 2, exhale. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Sat exhale. Again hold. 5, 4, 3. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Focus on your breath. 2 and 1. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam inhale. 2, exhale. 3 inhale. Chatwari exhale. Pancha inhale. Sat exhale. Again hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way, come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, again, Ekam inhale. 2, exhale. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, Urdhmukha. Sat exhale, Adho. Now hold. 1. Keep lengthening your spine. Push your hips up towards the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go forward, down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale again, arms up. Do exhale. Tridi, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward, down. Nava, inhale, come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for Utkatasana, chair pose. Keep your knees back from your toes. Don't cross your toes with your knees. Very nice. Do exhale. Go forward towards your left. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, raise your right leg up and then bring your right leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Make front leg 90, back feet slightly 5 degrees in. Rotate your left thigh inside and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now listen, exhale, try to go forward. Do not jump back. Look here, look here. From here, from warrior A, you have to go. Look here, everybody. Bend your knees from warrior A. Just lengthen your spine, stretch your spine and go front. Do not take support of your knee. Your knee should be out of, push your knee right side and just stretch yourself front. Okay. Again and hold. 1, go forward, down. Push your right knee outside and go more deep from your right knee. Don't take support of your right thigh. 2, keep stretching your hands front. 3, and keep pushing your pelvis down. 4, and now listen, place your right hand under your right leg. Place your right hand under your right leg. Now grab your left wrist behind your back. Now just try to straight your knee and open your chest. Keep your knee straight and open your chest, okay? And then bend your knees. 2, 3 again, try to straight your knee and open your chest. 4, again bend. 5, 6, bend your knee. 7, again straight your leg. Do not lean forward. Just try to push your left shoulder towards the ceiling. 8, again straight. 9, bend your knee. 10, keep your knee straight and hold for 5 seconds. Don't release. Keep your knee straight and hold there for 5 seconds. 1, open your chest, don't drop your chest down. 2, you have to twist yourself. 3, from your thoracic part. 4, and 5, slowly release and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now lift your left leg up high in the air, bring your left leg front between your both palms for warrior A. Make warrior A from your left leg. Again, hold into warrior A. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, go forward, down, straight your spine. Do not take support of your left thigh, left knee. Go down more. Keep pushing your pelvis down. because we are stretching our legs properly today. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now put your left arm under your left leg, grab your right wrist behind your back, open your chest. Open your chest, very nice. Now straight your knee, 1. With inhalation, if you straight, exhale, bend your knee, 2, 3, 4, keep bending and straight your knee, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now straight your leg, straight your knee, and hold there for 5 counts. Try to straight your leg now. Very nice. Open your chest and straight your leg. Open your chest. Look up. 5. Do not keep your knee bent. Try to straight your knee. 4, 3, 2, and when exhale, jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale Urdhva Mukha and exhale Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Now hold there for 5 counts. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Urdhva Uttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Chair pose, not Urdhva Vrikshasan. Exhale, Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your arms. And now prepare yourself for second round. Ekam, inhale, again bend your both knees, raise your both arms up and come into chair pose. 2, exhale, go fully forward down. 3, inhale, look front. 4, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Come into warrior B and hold. 1, 2, 3. Look at your right hand. 4. And now listen. Now join your both arms up over your head and exhale. Go for the side bend towards the right side. Same like we have done in warrior A. Keep pushing your pelvis down. Stretch yourself front. Go deep. Hold. 1, 2. Larry, you have to twist. Go for the side bend now. This one. 3. From here.
Oh, okay.
4. No, not that side. And 5. Now slowly jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior B. Come into warrior B. And hold. Look at your left hand. 1. Warrior B. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Again, join your both palms together over your head and go for the side bend, left side. And hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again go back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Shake your legs one by one. Do few breathings. Now bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, go fully forward down, Uttanasana. Now don't come up, just stay there into Uttanasana, keep your hands, keep your palms properly on the mat. If you cannot keep your palms while keeping your feet close to your palms, you can just take slightly leg back, but keep your knees straight, okay? Like this. Now you have to lift your right leg up from the floor and start making a circle from your right leg, like this. 1, take your leg back, right side, but take your leg front as well, towards your palm, your wrist. 4, you have to take your leg front also, not only back. 5, take your leg close to your wrist. 6, 7, 8, 9, very nice. 10, anti-clockwise. 9, change the direction of the circle. 8, 7, you have to properly rotate your hips. 5, Ray, you are not taking your leg closer to your hand. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly drop your right leg down and change your leg. Now with left leg, we will do the same thing and start rotating. 1, your left leg. 2, keep your knees straight. 3, 4, Tisha ji, आपका knee bend हो रहा है. 5, keep your knee straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, anti-clockwise. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly leg down, shake your leg slightly. Now you have to kick your right leg, right side, okay? Look here, everybody. You have to kick your right leg, right side, up and down. So we are working on our hips right now. Okay, again go forward, down. Now kick your right leg up, right side. 1, do not kick your leg back. You have to kick sidewise. 3, keep kicking. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold your leg up in the air, right leg, right side. Hold, keep lifting your leg. And now start making a circle, small circle with your right leg. Now do not make a large circle, just small circle. You have to rotate your leg. 1, 2, 3, very nice. 4, 5, 5 time anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold your leg for 5 seconds in the air, as much as high you can take. 5, last 5 counts. 4, 3, sidewise. Greg, sidewise. You have to take your right leg right side. Yes, 2, and 1. Slowly leg down, shake your leg. And then again, do not come back, just shake there only, down, and then change your leg. Now we'll do with our left leg. Kick your left leg, left side. You don't have to kick your leg back, okay? Just straight to the line of your hip. Left leg again, lift your left leg up. 1, kick your left leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep your leg lift up high in the air and rotate your legs small. 1, small circle, just rotate. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not come back, just keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9. Can hold your leg up high in the air for 5 seconds. 5, sidewise, Greg, sidewise, left leg, left side. 4, 3, keep lifting your leg up, 2, and 1. Now slowly come down. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana, chair pose, and exhale, Samasthiti. So we are doing this. So we are working on our hip joint. So at the time of side stretch, our hip joint will not stop us from going down. Okay. Now everybody come for the frog pose. So how you will come into the tabletop position first. Tabletop position. Now slide your right knee right side and left knee left side. Slide, and your knee and ankle should be in one line. Your ankle will not stay in nor out. Okay, just ankle and knee should be in one line. So just open your leg and keep pushing your pelvis down as much as you can push. You have to touch your groins, the front part of your groins muscles. You have to touch it on the mat or on the floor and just lay down. And do not take your hips front like this, because then you will not feel the pressure. And do not take your hips back. Just stay in this knee and your hip should be in one line. Okay. And you can bend your elbows like this, take support, and keep pushing your pelvis down and touch your pelvis on the floor. Hold there. Hold there for 1 minute. If your leg is not, if your knee is not sliding, you can just use your palms and slide your leg like this. Knee. 50 seconds more. Greg, open your knees more. Try to open your knees more. दिशा जी थोड़ा सा और अपने हिप्स को आगे लेके आइए, नीज की लाइन में थोड़ा सा आगे और टोज आपके राइट लेग का टो राइट साइड रहेगा, लेफ्ट लेग का टो लेफ्ट साइड रहेगा. हिप्स को थोड़ा सा आगे करिए, नीज को मत करिए, हिप्स को बस आगे करना है आपको. थोड़ा सा और आगे, शिफ्ट शिफ्ट, more shift, and just now slide your knees. 30 seconds. Just stay there. Valerie, just a little bit come back. Your hips are slided more forward. Just a little bit come back. More, come back. Come back more. Now here you have to push it down. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, go deep, go more deep. 7, 6. Now press your elbows, slightly bend your thoracic up, look up, look up. Press with your elbows, look up, and keep pushing your pelvis down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back and sit into butterfly position. Shake your legs into butterfly. Do some count. Okay. You can see the next pose. What you have to do, you have to keep your right leg in same frog, left leg into same frog pose. Your knee and ankle should be in one line, and your right feet facing towards the left, left feet facing towards the left side. Now you have to come on your right heel and just slide your leg. You have to go as much as deep you can go, and just do not sit back like this, and do not go more front. Just stay one line. Your heel, your hip, and your knee, this part should be in one line. And keep pressing. And you have to sit down, not sit back. Do not sit back. You have to sit down as much as possible. You have to sit down. Hold and then stay there. Okay. Now come back. Everyone, bend your left knee. If you want, you can use blocks or something for your support. Okay, in your hands. Bend your left knee, everybody, like this. Again, from tabletop position, you have to straight your right leg and come on your right heel. Now slide your right heel towards the right side. Keep pushing and go deep as much. Lift your right toe up. Your right toe should be facing towards the ceiling. Do not put your right toe down. Yeah. And now slide your right heel. Do not place your arms as much as closer to your body. Place your arm little bit far from your body. Little bit far will be much better if you place your hand. Okay. But you have to go to the maximum, because if you will stay in your comfort zone, then you will not feel that stretch. Okay. So cross your comfort zone and go slightly more deep. 40 seconds. Stay there, stay there. Keep in mind that your right heel and your left knee should be in one line. It should not be like more front or more back. They both should be in one line. Okay. 30 seconds. तीशा जी ऊपर आइए आप नीचे बैठ गए. Lift yourself. Transfer your weight towards the front. Yes. Take your hands, move forward. Yeah. Come in line, and now you have to push your hips down. Greg, slide your legs more. 20 seconds. Very nice. Focus, breathe, just breathe. If you are feeling pain, you just take a deep inhale and deep exhale. 10 seconds. Pull your toes in, right toe. Pull your right toe in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Just bend your right leg into Mandukasana. So relax there for a few seconds. Just relax there for a few seconds. And then come towards your left side. Okay. Now you have to slide your left leg towards the left side and right knee. Again, you have to sit down and hold. Again, you have to sit down and hold. Slide your left leg. Your counting starts now of 1 minute. Again, remember one thing, your right knee and left heel should be in one line. Do not take left heel back. It should be in one line. And your left feet should be facing towards the ceiling. You have to be on your heel. Greg, you have to shift you have to transfer your weight towards the front side. You are sitting back. Transfer weight front. Lift yourself. Yeah, like this. Yeah. You have to lift your hips up. Yeah, now slide your left leg left side. Yeah. Push your left leg more. Correct. Okay, everybody's menace. You also have to transfer weight front. You are sitting. Transfer your weight front more. 30 seconds left. Stay there. Do not drop your feet. Keep your leg activate. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, come for the butterfly. Take your leg back and sit down and do butterfly. Properly shake your legs up and down. Shake your legs, pull your legs up, down properly. Lift your legs up and down. Okay, now look here. The next pose is goddess pose. In this, you have to keep your right toe, right side, left toe, left side, okay? Like this. And then you have to bend your knee. And remember one thing, that you will not keep your legs much closer. And if, see, it is not making a 90-degree. My knees are going more out. So you have to slide your legs more. And you don't also have to keep your legs more outside. It is also not making 90 degrees. So what you have to do, keep your knee and ankle in one line and make a 90-degree ankle. Okay. And then keep your both palms slightly back from your knees and just press it down and sit like this. This is a goddess pose you have to do. Stand up, everyone. Come in this posture. Now from your palms, just push your thighs back. From your palms, push your thighs back and keep pushing your pelvis down so it can make a good 90-degree angle from both sides. Very nice. Keep pushing. Tisha ji, slightly open your feet more. It is not making 90 degrees. More, open your feet more. Yeah, now try. Let's go out. Both toes should be out. Yes, now it is correct. Hold there. Now remove your palms. Keep your both palms behind your head. Interlace your finger behind your head and hold. Keep pushing your pelvis downward. Hold there for 10 seconds. 1. Maintain your balance and do not close your knees inside. Open your knees. Rotate your thighs outside. You have to rotate your thighs outside. Hold there. 4. Stay there. Don't come back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swing through your arms up. Your arms up. Don't come back. Just arms up. And exhale. And exhale. Slowly bend forward. Bend forward. Make 90-degree angle. If you can. Keep open. Keep your spine straight. Do not make hump like this. Just straight. Rotate your shoulders. Hold there. 1 again. 2, 3, 4. Bend. You have to bend forward at 90 degrees. 5, from your hip joints. 6, maintain your balance. 7, 8, 9, and then now grab your ankle. Directly go to your ankle. Grab your ankle with your hands like this and put Your elbow support on your knee. Put your elbow support on your knee. Just keep pushing your pelvis down, and with your elbows, keep your pushing your knees back. And again, hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, your hips will not lift up, your hips will go down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly stand up and shake your legs. Come up, shake your legs. Shake your legs properly. Now we will do side sitting, okay? So for side sitting, your right toe will go out when you sit right side, okay? Your right knee will bend and your left leg, your left toe will lift up and you will be on your left knee. And you have to sit properly, right side. And then you have to come up. Now your left toe will go out and your right toe will lift up. So you have to do this like this. Okay, try. Okay, now start with right side. 1, sit down. Lift yourself up. 2, sit properly. Go sit down properly. Open your legs more. 3, 4, 5. Try to take less support of your hands and come up properly and then sit down. Do not go directly down from down. Come up and then down. Come up and then down. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly stand up and again shake your legs. Now we are going to do the same side sitting, but in more advanced way. Okay. Again, open your leg, right side, and now you have to push your right more further from now. Okay, from previous. Now you have to sit. You have to not sit properly. You have to just hold and keep hands front. Okay, our front leg will make 90-degree. Before then, what we have done, our leg is in and we are sitting like this. This is not 90 degree. Now we will make further away our leg and we will make 90 like this and we will feel all this stretch here and then we will come back. Same thing, left side. Okay, again, come into the position. Okay, first take your right leg and bend your right leg right side, right to out, and start bending. Keep pushing your pelvis down towards the right side. Lift your left toe up. Lift your left toe up. Your toe facing towards the ceiling, upwise. Okay, your toe will be like this, not like this, not like this, like this. Now sit down. Sit as much as you can sit. You can use support if you can. If you cannot go down, you can use support of your hands and hold there. 1, no, Valerie, you're not making 90 degree. Hold one side. Hold one side. 2, 3, 4. You have to not sit down. 5. Now change your side. Another side. Again, hold for 5 seconds there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 seconds more. Another side. Change your side. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change your side. Last 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly stand up and again shake your both legs. Shake your legs, guys. And now you have to kick your leg sidewise. Okay. So you will kick your right leg. You have to just make a flow and then kick your leg up as much as closer to your shoulder. You have to kick your leg as much as closer to your shoulder. If you cannot kick, you can take support of your wall from your left hand and then swing your leg up. Keep your knee straight. You can take support of your wall. 10-10 kick from both legs. Okay. 10 from one leg, 10 from another. Okay, you have kicked. Now you have to come for the side split. You can put your both toes down. Your toes will be in and your heel will be out. Okay, your toes will be in and your heel will be out. Just slide, slide, slide. Now take your hand support or your block support, whatever you want. You can take the support and just go as much as closer to the mat. And hold there for 1 minute. After 30 seconds, you have to go deep down. For now, just stay in comfort zone, but just keep some little bit of pressure on your pelvis. 40 seconds. 30 seconds left. $20. 10 seconds. 8. Now go deep, go more deep, slightly move more further. 6. Slide your leg more for just 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back down to come for the butterfly. You can, if you want to just come back, you can fall back on your hips, or you can just straight come up. Okay, come for the butterfly, do butterfly properly. Stretch your legs. If you, after butterfly, just open your legs and press your both legs, both knees together. It should not be easy. You should feel hard while closing your knees to each other. So open your legs accordingly. Okay. Your knees should not touch easily. You have to feel shivering on your hip bones here. Okay. Then change like this. This is counter pose, what we are doing. Then bend your knees, hook your knees. Now roll back and come for the hefty baby pose. Grab your both big toes, press your knees down, roll left side and right side. Again, hug your both knees, press, hold yourself, and slowly relax yourself into Shavasana for a few minutes. Straight your leg, drop your right feet right side, left feet left side. Do not keep your legs together. Open your legs to the edge of the mat. Open your hands, palm facing towards the ceiling. Not that much. You have to just open your hands slightly more from your mat. And just pull your chin inside and just relax. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Let your breath become normal. Your heartbeat. After today's practice, wherever you are feeling pain right now, just remove that pain by your inhalation and exhalation. Just take all focus there, wherever you are feeling pain right now. Focus on your breath. Focus on your body and focus on your mind. Right now, so many thoughts are coming in your mind. Just let them come in your mind and let them go away. Do not stick to any thought right now. Try to see our today's class in your mind, that what the things we have done today. Try to remember the things. See yourself that how you have done today's practice. Now slowly turn towards the left side. Your right shoulder will be up. Make pillow of your hands and bend your both knees. Turn yourself to the left side. Bend your knees and make pillow of your hands. Keep your eyes closed. And just press your both palms and sit in any comfortable pose. Keep your spine straight. Keep your neck straight. Roll your shoulder up, back and down. Drop your shoulder down. And keep your heart open. Now join your both palms together in front of your heart. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by three Shanti. Deep inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now slowly pour down your head towards God and thank God for giving us strength for today's class. Rub your both palms, apply in the face, apply in your eyes, apply in your whole body, and open your eyes while blinking with a smile. Namaste to everyone. If you have any questions, you can ask.
Yes, G, I have a question. It's a Zoom question. How do I stop everyone's picture on the screen so that I can only see you, because my screen is too small?
Just click on me wherever I can.
Yeah.
If you see me, just
Yeah.
click on me.
Yeah.
Long touch, then you can see you. I will come on your whole screen.
Oh, a long touch.
Long touch.
Okay, I'll try it. Thank you.
Anyone else?
Yeah.
Ask question?
I have a question. It might be just the level of fitness, but I just wondered if the legs are shaking, what can you do about, because my legs are shaking quite a bit.
See, basically when we feel pain, our body shivers. It's due to pain. So when you do regular practice, so you will find that stability in your legs, and after that you will not feel that shake in your body.
Okay.
It's all about regular practice.
Regular practice, yeah. Do you think water will help as well? Drinking water?
See, drinking water is very important. You have to, because you have to drink water regularly. But it's not only about water. It's also about your flexibility and the stability, okay, in your body. So that will come after you will practice regularly.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well.
Hi, sorry, I have a question. Sorry. Quite a few of these positions, like frog and wheel, they're not actually in the manual. Are we supposed to know the theory behind them or not when we get examined at the end?
Yes, basically in manual, this poses are not there. You can find it on the internet or our YouTube videos in HYA, Himalayan Yoga Association. You can find it there. But
Okay.
basically, we don't have in manual these poses, because in manual there is Vinyasa and Ashtanga. So today we have done a Hatha class almost.
Okay, thank
because you. Yes. Okay. Any more question? Okay then. Namaste to all, and see you tomorrow, guys.